Kawadhi nyime en jatend piny Kenya William Ruto singo siro doho ma pachoka eneno ok bibedo kod ng'ikruok e temo tiyo tijegi e yo makare. Ruto ne loso e nyasi mar chiwo lipot kaka bad sirikal mar doho osetiyo e iko omenda mokalo. Ogai mar doho Martha Koome mane otelo ne nyasi no nochiwo puoch gi pak ne Ruto kuom siro tij doho e pachoka.
Dear Lord, we thank you, Father, for the gift of leadership in our country.
And permission of Your Excellency, sir, the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much once again for being here.
Your Excellency, functions in Kenya would end in half the time of
His Excellency Johnson Sakaja.
Judiciary, but I think the Chief Registrar deserves.
Regarding the worrying state of physical infrastructure, the Judiciary has formulated a physical infrastructural Marshall Plan that targets to meet the contemporary justice demands by Kenyans. This, Your Excellency, includes a High Court building in counties without such courts, magistrate courts in constituencies without the courts, and 100 small claims courts.
We must have an independent judiciary for our country because it is healthy. And I want to confirm here today that the President, our boss, in his wisdom, has placed the function of coordinating independent offices and constitutional commissions in my office, not for the purpose of interfering with whatever you do, but for the very purpose of providing a facilitative and supportive role to your work.
I want to work with the judiciary, to support the judiciary, so that we can have an accountable and responsive judicial system. Integrity assurance and corruption prevention are essential pillars of remedial and corrective action. Likewise, the judiciary's performance management enhances staff accountability and guarantees service delivery to a high professional standard with assurance of continued improvement.